everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, February 18th. Today we have a lovely collection from Northcott Fabrics called Passion by Deborah Edwards, and this is the sample quilt that we have to share with you so that you can see the fabrics. We hope to be able to kit this soon, and now I'd like to show you the fabrics. Okay, let's dig right in. These are so gorgeous and come right up so you can get a close up on them. You can see the kind of overlay of colors here. Really, really pretty. I love that blue. That's exactly what leaves look like at night. She really captured that beautifully. And then we have a butterfly piece. And who doesn't love butterflies? Although I do have a funny story. When my kids were little, we went to the butterfly house at the Natural Sciences Museum in Durham, and a butterfly landed smack dab on the end of one of my son's noses. And from then on, every time we went into that butterfly house, he put his hand over his nose for several years. I love that circle pattern. I should remind him of that now that he's a grown-up. And there's more layered leaves. I love the background on this too because you still get kind of that layered feel. And now we're adding in some of that yellow kind of citrine color. Here's a lovely blender that really looks batik, but it is not. These are cotton prints. And then there's another of the same print in beautiful blue and teal. And then over here we have, I guess that kind of looks like morning glory a little bit. I'm not sure what flower that is. It's pretty. And then two textural blenders to finish out the collection. And then this one has a lighter background, same print, but just a whiter background. You can see them side by side here. Very similar, but still different. So the description that I haven't read to you yet says, created by Deborah Edwards of Northcott Studio, Passion features exquisitely detailed watercolor florals paired with butterflies, chevrons, stripes, and delicate textures and blenders. And we hope to have kits available for that quilt I showed you at the beginning in a few weeks. We also have a Fat Quarter Friday bundle today that I forgot to bring out. So it's going to be a mystery surprise for you. So I will link to it on our website. You can, or on the description of the video. So you can click through to see what today's Fat Quarter Friday bundle is. And I hope you have a great weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.